You heard? Shelly Ross has 4 open houses this weekend. I am so excited about this because all of these homes are awesome. You'll have so much fun checking them out. And hey, don't dream it, live it.
Over here at Holiday Out, we have our own private beach access, and it is amazing. Follow me. Is this amazing or what? Absolutely gorgeous. This too can be yours. Don't dream it, live it.
Yay! Open house at number 76 this Sunday the 31st from 11 to 1. Wait till you see the balcony. It's amazing.
This stunning 2-story concrete block beach home is in the sought-after community of Holiday Out. Pack your bags and come enjoy the island lifestyle.
You won't want to miss this open house this Saturday the 30th from 11 to 1. This home is located at 1207 Nettles Boulevard and is absolutely awesome.
Come see this awesome home today.
Check out this awesome kitchen. It is upgraded. Beautiful countertops, lots of natural sunlight. This is a great space. I absolutely love it. Look at the size of this master bedroom. It is huge. You come right down here. You've got two huge closets, his and hers. And then you have got this huge master bath with this huge shower. Room for two. This is my favorite room. Check out this mural behind me. It is absolutely awesome. I could just sit in here all day and stare at this wall.
Amazing home with amazing amenities. Come see this awesome home today. Come see this awesome home today. Come see this awesome home today.
Welcome to Nettles Island on beautiful Hutchinson Island, where the beach is just across the street and every day feels like a vacation. This charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath furnished home offers nearly 1,000 square feet of open living space with vaulted ceilings, a spacious dining area off the kitchen, and a large master suite. Tile floors throughout make it bright, airy, and easy to maintain. Outside, the property features a shady paved side yard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. But life on Nettles Island is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Enjoy 2 heated pools, one by the riverside and another by the ocean. Here, you'll find something for everyone. Whether you're searching for a vacation getaway, retirement retreat, or income property, this coastal gem offers comfort, convenience, and resort-style living all in one. Schedule your tour today and start living the island dream. Welcome to Nettles Island on
Hi, I'm Marguerite Scanny.
And I'm Pamela Dombeck.
We're going to take you on a beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit here in Fairwinds Cove in beautiful Jensen Beach. The kitchen offers a cozy layout with a conveniently located laundry.
The guest suite is ideal for your overnight visitors.
The enclosed porch is the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the Florida breeze.
Ideal for entertaining or relaxing after a day at the beach. The spacious master bedroom features a walk-in closet and a private bath. If you're looking for a seasonal getaway, a rental investment, or a full-time Florida retreat,
This condo checks all the boxes.
You gotta come see number 214 this Sunday, the 31st from 1 to 3. awesome home. This home is a great way to start your island life.
Oh wow, this beautiful home could be just the ticket to start your island lifestyle. Plenty of room, awesome outdoor space and amenities you'll absolutely love. Absolutely love.
Wouldn't you love to just be able to walk out your door and come over and enjoy this every morning and start your day off like this? You could even end your day like this. If so, you need to call or text me today and let's find you that perfect place in paradise. Don't dream it, live it.
Dude, don't miss this open house at number 68 this Sunday, the 31st from 1 to 3. Super cool backyard, that's for sure. Awesome little bungalow.